Tackle your toughest on-the-go cleaning tasks with the SPX202E portable electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Packed with 11 amps of pure cleaning power, the eco-friendly electric SPX202E is just the right size to take everywhere you go when you want to blast away stubborn gunk, grease, and grime. Pump up to 1.48 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. And with up to 1450 PSI max cleaning power, it's perfect for loads of light to medium duty jobs around the auto, deck, boat, porch, patio, and more. Perfectly portable, lightweight, and compact at less than 12 pounds, SPX202E will be your perfect go-to tool when it's time to tackle your next cleaning project. And you'll always clean smarter, not harder, with Sunjo's exclusive built-in total stop system, which automatically shuts off both pump and power when the trigger's not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. And with its included 10.1 fluid ounce detergent tank, you'll always be ready to give your cleaning blast a soapy boost to demolish every last bit of dirt, grease, grime, oil, mud, and more. And every SPX202E is backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty. So skip the bulky pressure washer and get ready to clean on the go with Joe, the SPX202E portable electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Get equipped.